Hello guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of downloading and installing Visual Studio Code on a Windows 11 PC. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer setting up your development environment or trying VS Code for the first time, this guide will make the installation super simple. Let's dive in and get Visual Studio Code up and running on your system without any hassle. Alright, to begin with, open up your preferred web browser and head to the search bar. Type in Visual Studio Code and press enter. From the search results, look for the official website. It will typically be the first link, code.visualstudio.com. Click on that link to open the official Visual Studio Code homepage. At the top, you'll see a blue download button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the downloads page. Now, select the Windows option to begin downloading the installer for the Windows version of Visual Studio Code. If you're using a different operating system like Linux or Mac OS, there are also dedicated download options available for those platforms on the same page. Once the download is complete, open the download folder. Right-click on Visual Studio file and open the installer. The Visual Studio Code setup window has opened. First, you'll be asked to accept the license agreement. Just check the box to agree and click Next. The installer will now show you the default installation path. Unless you need to install it in a different location, it's best to leave it as is and click Next again. Next up is the Start menu folder. You can leave that as default too, and then proceed by clicking Next. On the Select Additional Tasks screen, make sure to check the box that says Create a Desktop icon. You can leave the rest of the options set to their defaults. After that, click Next, and then click Install to begin the installation process. Visual Studio Code will now start installing on your computer. Ensure that the Launch Visual Studio Code option is checked, then click Finish to complete the installation. This will immediately open Visual Studio Code for the first time. Once launched, you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen. If you want to choose the theme, then click on Choose You Theme. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select your preferred theme. The default is dark modern, but you can easily change it to light, dark high contrast, or light high contrast based on what suits your eyes best. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the dark modern theme. You'll also see options to enable rich language support, configure your settings, and explore additional features. You can customize these according to your workflow. Once you're satisfied with the initial setup, you're ready to start using Visual Studio Code. If you'd like to start coding, simply go to the File menu and select New Text File. This will open a blank editor where you can begin writing your code. Visual Studio Code is a powerful and versatile code editor that supports a wide range of programming languages, making it an excellent tool for developers of all levels. If you close the application, you can reopen it anytime by clicking on the Start menu, typing Visual Studio Code in the search bar, and selecting it from the results. Additionally, Visual Studio Code can also be launched through the command line. To do this, search for CMD or command prompt, open it, type code and press enter. This command will instantly launch Visual Studio Code from the terminal. And that's how you can easily download, install, and start using Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 system. It's a powerful and versatile code editor that supports a wide range of programming languages and tools, making it a great choice whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, feel free to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials and programming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.